Hello guys, today I will show you how to install the best support system in your cPanel easily. First, you have to extract the zip file. After extract, you will find another zip file, which you need to upload in your cPanel. Now go to cPanel, and upload your zip file there. Upload your zip file in the cPanel. After uploaded, extract the zip file. If you want, then you can delete this zip file. Now serve your URL in any browser. In order to pass the first step, all the requirements here must be passed. Then click on Next button. Before filling up the database information, you have to create a database for your best support system. Go to cPanel Dashboard and find MySQL Database Wizard. Now, give a nice name of your database. Create your username and a strong password. Now take the username and password to input in database information. Carefully place your database host, database name, database username, and database password. Now give your application name. Now, give your information correctly. This information will be used for your login work. If you want to activate your license key in this episode, to use the software, then give your license key in this input field. Or if you want, you can skip this step and later you can activate your license key. If you don't know how to get the code, then you can follow this instruction. Now click on the link, and go to your admin dashboard. I am activating my software from this portion. You can also activate it before the installation. After activating your license, you can see your license info. And Now you can surfing the whole software.